Hello everyone, welcome. Today I am so excited to be sharing with you some of my favorite fragrances that I've been obsessed with over this past week. These are perfumes that have given me compliments. These are perfumes that I personally have fallen in love with. And some of these fragrances I had for quite some time. I took a break from them. I'm now getting back to them. But all in all, I'm very happy with the selection and I'm excited to share these with you. If this is your first time on this channel, hello, my name is Anya. I love fragrances and I talk about them here 5 times a week, Monday through Friday. And I also do videos on TikTok and additional content on Instagram. If you're interested in following me there, my username is ANECHKAFRAGRANCES. So for those of you who are new here, I do fragrance favorites videos at this point, roughly every single Friday. I talk about what I'm obsessed with, and these perfumes, some of them are new, some of them are old favorites, like I said before. This first fragrance I'm really excited about because every single time I've worn this fragrance, I've been getting a compliment like clockwork. It's insane. And what's interesting is not a lot of people talk about this fragrance, and I do think it's a really good option to check out because not only does it smell really good, but it's also really versatile. I can see a lot of people really liking this, and it's not every single day I get a compliment, but with this fragrance, I've been getting compliments consistently, and I love this perfume. First off, the way they do their rose notes is really, really beautiful. It's a very bright and sparkling rose accord in their fragrances that have rose. And this perfume also has additional notes of suede and ambroxan. So those notes I think combine so very well together. There's also the additional note of rhubarb. So there's a lot going on in this fragrance. It's one of those perfumes that's just like bright and zesty, a little bit tart, but it's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. And again, this perfume has been getting me compliments. I have been spraying this on, and I think that the sillage on this is rather extraordinary. I think especially with the ambroxan, and I've been getting compliments on this. This was sent to me, and I do have a code available with Experimental Perfume Club. You can use Anya10 in all caps to get 10% off. But yeah, I definitely recommend you try this out. They also have some discovery sets available, but let me get into the notes so you can see what I mean by how much is going on with this fragrance. So we have notes of rose, rhubarb, sandalwood, peony, white musk, cassis, pink pepper, vetiver, suede, and ambroxan. So there is a lot going on in this perfume, but all of these notes are blended together so beautifully. And again, this is a very approachable perfume. I don't really smell the suede as much. It's not overt. What really grabs my attention would be the rose, the rhubarb, and the ambroxan straight away. The suede is more of an undertone, and it really helps with the longevity of this perfume. So yeah, I really love this fragrance. This is a beautiful option if you want something that's bright, refreshing, and I do think like the depth of this fragrance with the suede makes it pretty well suited for the colder weather too. So yes, I've been wearing this one. I've been loving it. Very much recommend it. This is beautiful and very underrated. You need to check this out if you love florals. And next up is a fragrance I actually purchased myself, and I've been wearing this one a lot. I did wear this today, layered with another fragrance that I will be sharing with you. This is from the brand Belgravia Scents, and this is called Majestic. So let me pull up the notes because this is a really, like, I would say it's a gourmand fall winter perfume, and it's one of those fragrances that just like, it smells kind of like it smells like a holiday appropriate fragrance, if that makes any sense. So this perfume has notes of vanilla and oud at the top, a mid of musk, incense, and sugar, and then a base of sandalwood, musk, and sugar. It kind of smells like burnt sugar, but in a very elegant way. This is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. I've been wearing this one a lot, and this is a really good perfume for layering because it stays rather linear. It doesn't really change and develop that much. I mean, it to me just smells like slightly burnt sugar throughout in a very elegant way. And the best part is, by the way, this fragrance line is very affordable. I think their fragrances are about like 70, $80. Let me check the website. Yeah, so I actually bought this because I was watching Greta Beth's stories on Instagram when she was in Dubai for Beauty World. And I saw her recommend this, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it because we actually do have similar tastes when it comes to fragrance. So I'm really glad that she recommended this to me because it's a really good, affordable option if you're interested in a cozy winter gourmand perfume. This is stunning. And yeah, it's on sale right now for $70. Full price, it's $80, but you get 100 milliliters. This is terrific value in my personal opinion. So like I said, I did layer Majestic with another fragrance, and I actually chose to wear Nirvana Rose by Elizabeth and James. This is a perfume that has been discontinued, but you can still find this fragrance available at on FragranceNet, and it's pretty affordable there. It's like $30 for this size, which is very, very affordable. This has notes of geranium, vetiver, and rose. It's a dark gothic rose. There's a bit of like a kind of like a jammy rose accord here, but it's very well balanced out with the vetiver and the geranium. And then combined with Majestic, I actually spray these in like different areas of my body. So I had this on my neck, and then I had this on my arms, and it really was such a good combination. Very cozy, very inviting, and yeah, I love this combination. As you can tell, recently I've very much fallen back in love with the rose note, and I do think this is a good combo. Okay, let's see what else. I've pretty much been obsessed with Chabaud's Montiramisu for weeks now. It's really, really, really good. Yeah, I'm pretty much making a baby dent in here already. I wear this all the time. I would say up to like every other day, I think. I've been wearing this a lot. It's just such a really good fragrance. It has the signature Chabaud Lactonic Accord, but it's not solely focused on the lactonic. It also has additional notes of like the biscuit with the tiramisu, some creaminess, the chocolate, the coffee. So there is complexity when it comes to this, but it's also not like your overt gourmand that like sticks with you. It's just like a beautiful, uh, I would say medium, moderate fragrance, not medium, moderate fragrance. It's really quite versatile. Love this. And I've also been experimenting with Chabaud's Discovery Set. And by the way, both of these were sent to me, but I do think if you're looking for a really good holiday gift, this Discovery Set is a great one to go for because they have in this Discovery Set 10 milliliters of four of some of their best-selling fragrances. So this is a great option to try out. They have Les Concentrés, Les de Vanille, and Lady Biscuit as well as Lait et Chocolat. My favorite recently has been Lady Biscuit. They have, like I said, a lot of lactonic accords within these perfumes, but I would say my favorite one has been Lady Biscuit because there's still like an extra gourmand element to there that's not just so focused on the lactonic notes. So yeah, I've been obsessed with this, specifically Lady Biscuit. But I would say my favorite from Chabaud right now is still Mon Tiramisu if you're a gourmand lover, but you want something a little bit more subtle. This is amazing. You can also still use my code if you so want to. Anya 10, I believe. Yeah, Anya 10 on pretty much almost every single brand that I work with. But yeah, I love this fragrance as well. And something else that I also want to talk about because this is honestly so affordable, and if you're looking for something that's very, cozy, spicy for the wintertime that will stay on for a long time and still is quite affordable, definitely check out Kuumba Made's oils. I have a few of them, but the one I've been using the most has been Amber Paste. This is a resinous, incensey, spicy perfume. Very beautiful if you want to go for a cozy, warm, base for your other scents. Especially if you want your fragrances to last longer, definitely recommend using an oil as a base, and this is a very potent oil. So definitely recommend this. It's super affordable. I believe you can get this brand at Whole Foods as well. And you can see how much I've used this up because I'm pretty much like halfway through. So yeah, you can get this on Amazon as well. But yeah, Kuumba Made's Amber Paste, terrific. It would work with any one of the fragrances that I just mentioned, except perhaps Chabaud fragrances, because Chabaud fragrances, they're kind of like, how do I explain this? They're kind of like delicate lactonic perfumes, and I wouldn't just pair these together very readily, but I would pair this with every other fragrance that I just mentioned in this video. Yeah, amber paste, really good, especially if you want something to kind of deepen up what you already have in your collection. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Those are all of my favorites that I have to mention. A pretty streamlined list, but genuinely these are perfumes that I've been obsessed with, that I've been loving and wearing in my personal life. And yeah, I'm really happy with all of these fragrances. They are amazing. So let me know, are you interested in trying any of these out? Have you already tried any of these brands or fragrances before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let's have a chat. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.